Hello everyone. Today we're diving into the world of kitchen convenience with the FUNAVO Immersion blender, a powerhouse with a 1000W all-copper motor and 304 stainless steel 4-tip blades, perfect for tackling everything from hot soups to smoothies with ease. This 5-in-1 hand blender is designed with an upgraded food-grade blade guard to protect your cookware from scratches and features a unique anti-splash guard to keep your kitchen spotless. With 12 adjustable speeds, you have the flexibility to create anything from milkshakes to baby food, and the turbo mode ensures you can handle even the toughest ingredients. The package includes a snap-on stick blender, whisk, milk frother, a 20-ounce beaker with a lid to keep your juices fresh, and a 17-ounce chopping bowl that doubles as a mini food processor. FUNAVO's commitment to customer satisfaction shines through with fast customer service via telephone and a 12-month exchange or money-back guarantee. So, if you're looking to make your culinary adventures more convenient and efficient, the FUNAVO Immersion blender is your go-to kitchen companion. Thanks for watching, and happy blending! Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.